Thank you very much, Alex. Perhaps it's the day of the Frexit, I don't know. Just a few words to start this morning. In fact, I will say, in public economics, there are, in fact, two main motivations for government intervention. So the first one is to change, in fact, the income distribution, because we consider that, in fact, the income distribution is too unfair, and so we try to redistribute income from a rich household to poor household, at least in theory. And the second motivation is because, in fact, the market alone is not efficient for many reasons, because we have externality, because we have public goods, because markets are imperfect, and so on. And so in public economics, government try to intervene, in fact, to correct and so that the market be efficient. And of course, on climate change, both in terms of attenuation and mitigation and adaptation, correspond, in fact, to a market failure. As presented by Jean-François yesterday afternoon, there are many strategy roadmaps at the world level, at the EU level, at the French level, in fact, to reduce greenhouse gas emission, to adapt, in fact, all sectors to climate change and so on. And this strategy and these roadmaps are supported by public policies with moderate success to date or little success to date. And in fact, this policy use instruments. And among these instruments, there is an instrument which is called, in fact, voluntary carbon market instrument. And so, as the name says, there is something on market, something on carbon, and something on voluntary. And so this morning we will try to explain what is, in fact, this market, why, in fact, it is implemented in the EU and in the world. This instrument has advantages, but also drawbacks, and we will present, in fact, both. We will try to explain how it works, what are the buyers, what are the sellers, and so on, and how, in fact, we can improve, perhaps, this instrument, and how, in fact, we can also complement this instrument by other policies. And so it's perhaps rather technical, but do not hesitate to call questions, in fact, if not clear, to all speakers that will explain, in fact, how, in fact, the mechanisms work. Thank you.
Thank you very much indeed, Hervé. Thank you.